Hello everyone, I am Bhawana Yadav, guest lecturer in the Department of Computer Science, Pandit Sundarlal Sharma Open University, Chhattisgarh, Bilaspur. The fundamental use and development of computers. Today, we will explore the evolution, core principles, and transformative impact of computing technology. We will look at how computers developed, how they work, and why they are so important in our daily lives. Why computers matter today? Computers solve extremely complex problems in milliseconds. They have transformed healthcare, education, business, entertainment, and communication. From smartphones in our pockets to global networks connecting billions computing powers in modern society. Understanding computers helps us navigate the digital world confidently and creatively. But before we go further, let's understand what a computer actually is. What is a computer? A computer is an electronic device that processes data according to programmed instructions. It transforms raw data into meaningful information. Billions of calculations happen every second inside a computer. These calculations allow applications, websites, and systems to function smoothly. Computers follow instructions. They do exactly what they are programmed to do. Core components of a computer. Every computer has five main components. Central processing unit, the brain that executes instructions. Memory, RAM, temporary workplace for active tasks. Input devices, keyboard, mouse, touchscreen, sensors, etc. Output devices, monitor, printer, speaker, etc. Storage devices, hard drives or SSDs for permanent data storage. These parts work together to perform tasks efficiently. From room-sized giants to pocket-sized powerhouses. Early computers filled entire rooms. Today, smartphones are billions of times smaller and more powerful. Today, computing has become smaller, faster, cheaper, and more accessible. This transformation is one of the most remarkable technological journeys in history. Let us now talk about the evolution of computers. The decade of 1940s was the dawn of computing. In the 1940s, the first electronic general purpose computer was developed, that was ENIAC, Electronic Numerator, Integrator and Computer. It filled an entire room and weighed 27 tons. It performed about 5,000 operations per second, revolutionary at that time. This marked the beginning of the digital age. After that, the decade of 1970s was known as the era of personal computers. The invention of microprocessor changed everything. Companies like Apple and IBM brought computers into homes and offices. Computing power became affordable and accessible to individuals. This was the birth of the personal computer era. Next, 1990s was known as the Internet era. The invention of the World Wide Web transformed computers into global communication tools. People could connect, share information, and conduct businesses online. This laid the foundation for today's digital economy. Next, 2020s onwards was known as the era of AI and quantum computing. Today, we are entering the era of artificial intelligence and quantum computing. AI enables machines to learn and make decisions. Quantum computing promises exponential speed increase for complex problems. These technologies revolutionized the area of medicine, climate science, and cybersecurity. The processing cycle. Computers follow a simple but powerful cycle. Input, that is, data enters the system. Processing, in which the CPU performs calculations. Storage, that means the information is saved. Output means the results are displayed. This cycle happens billions of times per second. Even advanced AI systems rely on this basic structure. Operating systems, the computers managing. The operating system manages hardware and software. Examples include Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, Linux. Core functions: manage files and folders, run multiple applications, provide user interface, and control security, allocate system resources. Without an operating system, a computer would be unusable. Fundamental use of computers today. Computers are used in nearly every field. In communication, we use sending emails, messages, we can do video calls to others. In work and productivity, we write documents, do programming, data analysis, etc. In entertainment, we use streaming, play games, create contents, etc. In science and industries, we create simulations, we do automation, we do research using AI. Computers are not just tools, they are infrastructure for modern life. The future of computing. Three major trends are shaping the future. Artificial intelligence, that are smarter autonomous systems. Quantum computing, that are used for solving complex problems faster. Ubiquitous computing, that means smart devices everywhere. Computing will become more embedded in daily life. Technology will increasingly adapt it to humans instead of the other way around. To conclude, we can say that understanding computer fundamentals empowers innovation. Technology is evolving rapidly. Foundational knowledge helps us adopt and lead change. We should aim to active creators, not passive consumers of technology. Let's harness the power of computers to build a smarter, more connected, and equitable future. Okay, dear learners, that's all for this lecture. Thank you all.